Hello, I'm MindMeld. Today's video is the evolution of cars in 60 seconds. Yeah, no cars went from zero to hero in just over a century. Let's dive in. Picture this 1908. Henry Ford rolls out the Model T, simple, rugged, and affordable cars for everyone. Fast forward to the 1930s and boom, the Cadillac V16 hits the streets. Luxury at its finest. The 50s. Oh baby, the Chevy Bel Air cruising down Route 66. Total icon. Then came That's My Baby the 60s with the Mustang. Pony car fever. Anyone? Speed demons rejoiced. Skip ahead to the 80s and the DeLorean. Yeah, the Back to the Future car. Futuristic vibes, right? Now let's talk 21st century 2008. Tesla Roadster shocks the world. Electric, sleek, and fast. Today, Teslas are like rolling computers. But back then, total game changer. From crank starts to self-driving tech, and car history is a wild ride. MindMeld zero out. Catch you later, speedsters. Goodbye, mate.